What's up? It's Evian Watson. So the other day, my girlfriend Miranda, she was making a TikTok commercial in the living room. We were using a box of Lucky Charms. So I decided to just make a little piece of content myself. So while I was filming it, I got all these pieces of clips, put the footage together. I loved it. But after watching it over and over again, I decided I wanted a little bit of audio in it to just enhance it a little bit more. Unfortunately, when I was filming and recording, the cable on my microphone was a little bit loose. So all this audio is garbage. It sounds horrible. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna use my iPhone. I'm gonna use a voice memo application. Basically gather the sounds that I feel like I need inside of this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna play it and I'm just gonna basically just break down the sounds that I wanna add. That's what that looks like. It's nice, it's smooth, it's cinematic. I thought I got some pretty cool, nice looking shots. I feel like it's just missing a little bit more. But yeah, let's go grab some sounds, come back, add them in, and see how the final product looks. Okay, so I already took the time and placed all the items out, so that way it'd be a lot easier in filming this process. So first we have our box to get that first shot of the sound of it placing. Cereal that's old and stale. That way we can recreate the sound of the cereal pour inside the bowl. I chose this water bottle just because I don't want to use milk and waste a whole bunch of milk. It has the same bottle shape, and so the funnel and how it's going to pour out should be similar, so we should be able to get the same sound from that. Got the spoon to get the sound of the cereal within the water. The water drop sound, I might try and just make that sound myself. I can make some pretty interesting noises. Here's one of them. So let's see if that works. And of course, I have the iPhone where I'm gonna record everything, put it all in voice memos, and then bring it back to the computer. But yeah, this is what we're gonna use. Alright, so the way I'm gonna capture this is I want the sound to be as accurate as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch the video. Basically try to mimic the same actions to get the exact sound. I've seen this method being used whenever they recreate Hollywood films and Hollywood movies and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. I don't know the exact term for it, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Start recording. Super simple, easy. Got that shot. Now to get the next one. So this next shot's gonna be, or this next sound that we're gonna get is gonna be the cereal pouring into the bowl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to take this out. Now we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pull the cereal, get my iPhone, record it in voice memos, move on to the next one. So now this next shot is the milk pouring out. I'm gonna move this away from my computer just so I don't accidentally mess it up. So this one may be a little more difficult to capture. I need it to be like right next to the cereal. So I think I got a good shot, a little muffled. I think that could work for the close-up. So I'm gonna try it again, but this time leave the phone on top and see if that helps. So the next sound I want to recreate is the sound of the cereal scooping out. The last sound is the little water droplets. Probably gonna have to do some tweaking on that, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just use my voice for this one. There you have it. Let's take it back into the computer, layer the sounds, and see what we come up with. Okay, so now once you have all your sounds recorded, finished, so the first thing you do is you go inside of your voice memos, you select the sound that you want. There's three little dots that you're going to tap, you're going to hit share, and then from there, I like to airdrop it because it preserves the quality, so I'm just going to tap airdrop to my MacBook Pro. Now once it's in my downloads, I'm going to open up Finder, go to downloads, grab the audio file, labeled it 1, and just drag it into my library. So now that I have it on there, it's just like any other audio, music, audio from a camera, anything. So I can go in and I can adjust it, move it around, find the right place, and then there you have it. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be posting all the time. Yeah, send this to anybody you know, share it with somebody, and I'll see you guys in the next video.